Hi, and welcome to the course. I'm very happy to have you here and excited to help you actualize your dreams of learning automated trading. I'm Ramsam Enepe, and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've been trading the Forex market for over 4 years, and the information I am about to share with you have personally upped my trading game. Do you know that the Forex market is made up of 90% algorithmic trading? Yeah, it is. In fact, the Forex market is by far the largest market in the world, with more than $5 trillion traded on a single day. And 90% of those trades are generated by trading algorithms or trading robots. And this is to show you how huge the opportunities that automated trading provides are. In fact, these opportunities are huge and limitless. Now the problem is that coding is really tough to learn and difficult to master. I personally have learned MQ4 and I've written codes in MQ4. I've created trading robots with the MQ4 programming language, and I promise that coding is a tough method. The good news, however, is that the method you'll be learning in this master course has nothing to do with coding. In fact, we won't be writing a single line of code in this course, but we will be learning very effective ways to quickly build incredible and smart Forex trading robots. We'll be using a platform known as Fxdreema, which enables us to build trading robots without having to learn coding. The Fxdreema platform is very powerful, and if learned properly, it can be used to build really amazing Forex trading strategies. Now, why should you learn strategy automation, or why should any other person learn strategy automation? Automation can instantly help you determine which strategies are profitable and which ones are not. Automated strategies or trading robots are codes, and they perform based on very explicit instructions, and therefore will follow your strategy to the very last command. Trading robots can analyze hundreds of charts, if not thousands, at once, and will do that very accurately based on your strategy. Trading robots execute instructions without any emotions, so if your strategy is really good, you're sure of having a very profitable robot because it will act strictly based on your instructions, based on your rules, and nothing more. With trading robots, you can trade the Forex market for 24 hours every day and never miss out on a vital opportunity in the market again. Now, to get started, I will introduce you to the platform we'll be using for strategy automation, and then I'll walk you through basic topics, after which I'll teach you how to use indicators for strategy automation, and then I'll teach you how to create candlestick patterns and use them. I'll then teach you how to plot and use objects like Fibonacci levels and lines. I'll teach you about trade management. I'll teach you how to perform multi-time frame analysis, because that's a vital aspect of technical analysis I feel that many people tend to overlook. We'll then build some automated strategies together, and then I'll teach you how to backtest your trading robots in MT4 and MT5. And finally, I'll teach you how to monetize your new skill. By the end of this course, you will be able to automate any strategy of your choice, no matter how complex it may seem. See you in class.